Welcome to MGV's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Malegaon City, Department of Mathematics. Today we study Mathematics Paper First, Algebra of FY class. Chapter number 1 is Sets, Relations and Functions. In this lecture we study about set, elements of set, subset, empty set, disjoint sets, Venn diagrams, equality of two sets, universal set. Definition of the set. Set is any collection of well-defined objects. That means simply set is the collection of objects, but those objects are well defined. But what is the meaning of well defined? Well defined means those objects have some common characteristic or properties. For example, मेरे पास एक ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी की डिक्शनरीज का सेट है, तो यहाँ पर जितनी भी डिक्शनरी सेट में प्रेजेंट हैं वो कहलाएंगी ऑब्जेक्ट्स। और इन ऑब्जेक्ट्स की कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी क्या है कि ये डिक्शनरीज है ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी की। ईच एलिमेंट इन द कलेक्शन इज कॉल्ड एन एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यहाँ हमारे सेट में जितनी भी डिक्शनरीज प्रेजेंट हैं वो कहलाएंगी एन एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेट। जनरली द सेट्स आर डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल लेटर्स एंड elements of the set are denoted by small letters. For example, set of alphabets in the word strong. यहाँ हमारे सेट में सिर्फ वो एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट होंगे जो हमारे वर्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग में है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज कैपिटल X इक्वल टू कर्ली ब्रैकेट STRONG. Alphabets other than these are not an element of our set capital X. Note here, set is always written in curly bracket. Now, to show the element which is present in our set, we use this first notation. We read it as S belongs to capital X, means S is an element of our set capital X. Similarly, we also denote T belongs to capital X. Here means T is an element of our set capital X. Now, alphabet A and B are not an element of our set capital X. For this we use the second notation and we read it as A does not belongs to our set capital X. Similarly, B does not belongs to our set capital X, means A and B are not an element of our set. Therefore, first symbol is used to show an element of set and second symbol is used to show the elements which does not belongs to our set. Second example, set of alphabets in the word apple. In set form we write it as capital Y equal to curly bracket APNE. See here, in apple the alphabet P is repeated 2 times, but in set form we write it as a single time because repetition of an object is not allowed in the set. Therefore, here P is considered as a single element. Definition of subset. Let X and Y denotes two sets. If each element of capital X is also an element of capital Y, then we say that X is a subset of Y. अगर हर एलिमेंट जो हमारे सेट X में प्रेजेंट है वही सेम एलिमेंट्स हमारे सेट Y में भी प्रेजेंट होंगे, तब हम कहेंगे X जो है वो सबसेट है Y का। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट आवर सेट कैपिटल X इक्वल टू 1 3 5, कैपिटल Y इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 5 6. Clearly, each element of X is also an element of our set Y. Therefore, X is a subset of Y and we write it as X subset of Y. This symbol is used for subset. Similarly, set of natural number capital N consists of 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinity, and set of integers capital Z equal to 0, positive integers, negative integer. See here, every element of natural number is also an element of integer. Therefore, natural number is a subset of integer. Empty set. सेट हैविंग नो एलिमेंट्स इज कॉल्ड एम्प्टी सेट. ऐसा सेट जिसमें कोई भी एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट नहीं होगा वो कहलाएगा एम्प्टी सेट. एम्प्टी सेट इज डिनोटेड बाय फाई इक्वल टू एम्प्टी सेट. Empty set is a subset of every set because in empty set there was no element present. Therefore, empty set is a subset of every set. Disjoint sets. Let capital X and capital Y be two sets. If X intersection Y equal to 5, then we say that X and Y are disjoint sets. Now, in intersection, we collect those elements which is common to both the sets. But here, X intersection Y equal to 5, that means empty set. Therefore, there is no element common between X and Y. For example, let capital X equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Capital Y equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. See here, elements of X and Y are totally different. There is no common element between these two sets, that is X intersection Y equal to 5. Therefore, X and Y are disjoint sets. Venn diagrams are the plane region bounded by simple closed curve. This is the Venn diagram of A subset of B. Here the shaded region represent set A and this region represent our set B. Clearly see, the set B consists of shaded region and unshaded region also. Therefore, A is a subset of B. Second is the Venn diagram of A intersection B equal to 5. That is the Venn diagram of the two disjoint sets. Now, this is our set A and this region denotes our set B. Clearly see, the region of A and B are totally different. There is no common region between the set A and set B. That is A intersection B equal to 5. Here A and B are disjoint sets. Equality of the two sets. Let capital X and capital Y are the two sets. If X is a subset of Y and Y is a subset of X, that means if every element of X is also an element of Y and every element of Y is also an element of X, then we say that X equal to Y. Let our set capital X equal to सेट ऑफ अल्फ़ाबेट्स इन द वर्ड रीड. रीड के जो अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं वो हमारे सेट एलिमेंट्स होंगे. दैट इज़ कैपिटल X इक्वल टू READ. सिमिलरली कैपिटल Y इक्वल टू सेट ऑफ अल्फ़ाबेट्स इन द वर्ड डियर. दैट इज़ हमारे सेट में जो डियर लफ्ज़ के अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं वो हमारे एलिमेंट्स होंगे. कैपिटल Y इक्वल टू DEAR. Now see here, there are 4 elements in our set capital X. Also there are 4 elements in our set capital Y. And these 4 elements are same. READ. READ. Therefore, X equal to Y. Now note that the order of these alphabets are different in these two sets. But in the set, order of an element doesn't matter. Therefore, these two sets are equal. Now, we also see that every element of X is also an element of Y. Vice versa, every element of y is also an element of x. That's why we say that x equal to y. And in set, order of element has no importance. Universal set. All sets under consideration are the subsets of set. For example, let capital X equal to 1, 2 up to 10. Capital A equal to 1, 3, 6. Capital B equal to 2, 10. Capital C equal to 5, 6, 8. Clearly, A is a subset of X, B is a subset of X and C is a subset of X. अब अगर हम यहाँ पर कोई और सेट कंसीडर करेंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल सेट डी, सेट ई, तो वो सेट भी क्या रहना चाहिए, सेट एक्स का सबसेट रहना चाहिए. तब हम यहाँ पर एक्स को क्या बोलेंगे, यूनिवर्सल सेट कहेंगे. जनरली द यूनिवर्सल सेट इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल यू. हम यू के अलावा भी अदर सिंबल यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट मोस्टली जो हम सिंबल यूज़ करते हैं यूनिवर्सल सेट के लिए वो है कैपिटल यू. थैंक यू.